Hello friends, welcome back to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. So as you can see on the screen, how to open URLs, web pages, PDF in SAP. So we will today in this today's video we will learn about the function model called as call browser. As you can see over here, call browser. And to open the function model, we have a decode called SE37 where we can test the function models. So what is call browser? So call browser is a standard SAP function model that launches the default web browser from SAP GUI and opens a specified URLs. It is commonly used to display web pages, PDFs, as you can see, web pages, PDFs, external applications through a URL. So just we need to enter a URL in this call browser, and then we can fetch or we can navigate to that PDF, to that URL, to that what to say, to that web page, etc. So where this function model can be used. So call browser is useful whenever you need to open external content from SAP. So common use case include opening of PDFs, purchase order documents, invoice document, delivery challenge documents, user manuals, vendor portals, etc. So here we have this call browser function in mostly it is used in SAP abap, but then if you want to give us some certain logics, so we should know like what is this call browser. Okay, so I will share you one example in my case. So there was a client requirement that there is a third party integration with SAP for processing GRN or service and receipt, where all the transactions will be done on their portal and it should reflect in SAP. Now client said that from that portal they can share the link to the PDF, and that link needs to be mapped to GRN, where in SAP on the screen, if user want to accept that PDF, he will click on that link. So for this we have used this call browser function. So I will show you in the system like how this is done. So I'll quickly navigate to SAP. I will go to main SAP easy access screen. So in T code bar I will give T code SE37. So SE37 is for function builder. What is FM model? Here in function model we need to insert call browser, as you can see over here, call browser. So here if you click on display, the program will be displayed. Now we want to test this function model. So what we'll do, we'll click this third option, which is test or execute. Once I click on this is the main page of FM module. So here in this URL, if I will insert some URL for a reference, let's say, okay, so this is Facebook. Okay, so I'll just click on this link. I will just copy this link. I will close this. I'll paste the URL over here, as you can see. And if I click on execute, allow, so see, this URL got opened, as you can see over here. Also, if I will show you, let's say, so this is my image. Okay, so I'll convert this to the link. So I'll just copy this. So see, now this is the link for that image. I will close this link over here, or the image over here. I'll go back. I'll paste the link in this URL. I will click on execute, allow, and see, this got opened. So in this way you can open any of the links, any of the PDFs in this. So what we have done, so we have this M81 end screen. So it's taking some time, as you can see over here. Yeah, so what we have done, I have asked AppApper to add one option over here, like add one same like this other purchase order. So when the user will click on that option, this call function will be called. So this call browser function will be called when she pressed on this get PDF or something. We will name to this uh, what to say, to this button over here. When once user will click on this button, so it will run in the background, and it will, and the link which is provided uh, by the other portal, it will be captured in this uh, for this program. Once you clicked on that, it will match the service center sheet number, and basis that, the once you click on this link, the one button, then the uh, GRN document, or what we can see, invoice document, that will get opened over here on this screen. So this was the requirement, and which we have delivered to the client using this call browser function. So this is very useful function model. As again I will show you from starting, like s/n. So we will go to T code SE37. So SE37 is used for function module. Here in function module, I will enter call underscore browser. As the name suggests, it will directly call the links which is available for the browser, in the browser. So let's say uh, this image only. Okay. Okay. So let's say this image I need to call. So what I'll do, I'll convert this to first link. I'll take the link from the browser. I'll paste the link over here. First I'll close this. Okay. And once I click on execute, it will ask me for allow. I'll allow this, and you can see like the image has been opened. So in this way call browser works. So in that way you can use the call browser function model in SAP. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for such more SAP tutorials. My channel name is SAP Simplified by Prasad. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.